Alright, quick little video of putting some tires on the F150 here. I already got that one on, but we'll do the left side. Got the wheels chocked, locked up. Got the wheel off, jacked it up, got jack stand in there, wheel off. First thing we need to do is let the air out. So you just take the cap off. Two ways, a couple ways you can do it actually. You can just use a screwdriver, let the air out like that. Get a valve stem tool and remove the valve stem core like that. Try not to lose it. Or if you're replacing the valve stem, you can actually just rip the valve stem out and it'll let all the air out. And then when you put the new one in, you can put the tire on. All right, now we need to break the bead. A bunch of different ways to do this, but I'm just gonna use a pry bar and a 2x4 block and this back bumper right here. I think it was easier to break the bead on the other tire because it was sitting facing the sun. This one was kind of in the shade. So a little tip, if you put the tires in the sun, it's a lot more helpful. We just need to push the bead down below this lip, put the pry bar in there, lift it up, and then we can do the same thing. Push down on the opposite side.
Down on this side of the bead, flip this side over.
Got a piece of cardboard on the ground. You want to protect the face of the wheel. These are all rusty, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna pop off this other wheel weight. And I'm also gonna clean the bead mating surface on the wheel with the wire wheel. Alright, now the wheel looks pretty good. Gonna spray some soapy water on the bead. This tire has also been sitting out in the sun for a while. Should go on fairly easily. Like that. This should also go on pretty easy. These are some fairly big tires for the wheels. So it makes it a little easier. Just about do it with your feet. So with a low profile tire, it'd probably be a lot more difficult, but the other one didn't have any problems with seating the beads, so we're gonna do that now. All right, we got the tire all ready to go. I'm gonna spray some more soapy water on the beads. I'm also going to be putting balancing beads in the tire instead of metal wheel weights. So just take the bag and drop it in. And the bag comes apart in the tire and the beads balance the tire. So I'm gonna turn the compressor on and hopefully these beads will seat. Alright, now I'm just going to put the valve stem back in. It's a little easier to seat the beads with the valve stem out if you're just using a pressure gauge, and we'll fill it back up.